Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify font embedding for PDFs in Adobe Acrobat. Complete guide step by step clearly. Open Adobe Acrobat on your computer. Open the PDF document you want to check for font embedding. Navigate to the File menu located in the upper left corner. Select Properties from the drop-down menu. In the Document Properties window, click on the Fonts tab. Review the list of fonts displayed in this section. Check if the fonts are marked as embedded or embedded subset. Fonts labeled as not embedded may cause issues when the document is viewed on other devices. Note any fonts that are not embedded, as these may need to be addressed. To ensure complete embedding, return to the File menu. Select Save as to create a new version of your PDF. Before saving, click on the Options button. Ensure that the Embed Fonts option is checked in the settings. Choose your desired file name and location, then click Save. Once the new PDF is open, go back to the File menu. Again, select Properties and then the Fonts tab. Verify that the previously unembedded fonts are marked as embedded. You have now successfully verified and ensured font embedding in your PDF. Close the Document Properties window to finish. Your PDF is now ready for distribution with embedded fonts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.